everyone. Today I'm going to talk about self-reflection on organizational behavior and management skills. I will integrate the result of the Big Five personality test, emotional intelligence test, portrayal values questionnaire, and personal leadership assessment. This test helped me understand my strengths, weaknesses, and growth opportunities in organizational behavior and management skills. The Big Five personality test reveals the key characteristic. For conscientiousness, I'm organized and disciplined in my work, and can strike a balance between work efficiency and flexibility. This is consistent with the characteristic of effective leaders who prioritize goal setting and reliability in the course. For Gribblers, I'm cooperative but confident, and am suitable for cooperative team environment. However, I might need to prevent excessive accommodation in conflict situation. For openness, I prefer stability over novelty, which indicates that I excel in structured roles, but I can also benefit from embracing innovation, a key skill in a dynamic workplace. My sense of responsibility is consistent with the emphasis on reliability by transformational leaders, and the low openness indicates the need to adopt a growth mindset. In the emotional intelligence test, I achieved a good score of 95.8. I correctly identified the obvious emotions, but encountered difficulties in recognizing subtle emotions such as disgust and fear. This highlights the advantages in clear scenery, but there are potential weaknesses in complex interpersonal dynamics. To improve, I will practice active listening and seeking feedback to better understand subtle hints. On the portrait values questionnaire, my higher scores were universalism and self-direction, reflecting the drive to moral influence and autonomy. However, the lower score, power and achievement, indicate that I prioritize cooperation over competition. This indicates that my focus on self-transcendence is in line with servant leadership, but I can set clear personal goals to balance idealism and achievement. The result of the personal leadership assessment shows that I prefer the transactional leadership style. The score indicates that I rely on structured rewards and punishments. Although effective for short-term goals, excessive reliance may stifle creativity. For growth, I will integrate some transformational behaviors, such as inspiring vision, for example, through team brainstorming meetings, and move closer from transactional leadership style to a transformational leadership style. For conclusion, these evaluations show my potential as an organized, empathetic leader with room for growth in innovation and emotional nuances. I will leverage my strengths, guide my colleagues with my sense of responsibility, and cultivate team cohesion with my affinity. Overcoming weakness, participate in innovation seminars to enhance openness and emotional intelligence training, combines values and leadership, integrate my universalism with change strategies such as linking team goals to broader social impact. I base my development on the theory of organizational behavior and seek a balanced and adaptive approach to achieving personal and professional success. And this is my explanation. That's all. Thanks.